Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and today I want to show you a card using the Butterfly Gala stamp set. I'm going to be using this one, and I have decided to use the, oh my goodness, lemon lime twist. And this paper goes with this suite, and this is the Gingham Gala Design Series paper. It comes in a 6x6, but what is really cool about it is that you get different colors. It's the same pattern, as you can see. It's kind of like the buffalo check, and then there's a really little one, and then a little larger of the square. So I love that this one goes. And the other thing that I think is great is that out of celebration, you actually get, when you purchase $50, you can get the beautiful ribbon that coordinates with all the colors on this suite. So you can see it here. You have the blue, the purple, the yellow, the coral, and then the green one. So definitely great. And another thing to note is that you get 5 yards out of each of them. Again, you purchase $50 and you can get this one for free out of the celebration. So really great deal right there. So another element that coordinates really well with this suite is the sequence that we have here is the Gingham's, I don't know what you just call Gingham Gala adhesive bake sequence, and it has the same colors as the paper and the ribbon. So definitely another embellishment that you can use for your cards. So let's just get it started. I'm not really sure exactly how this one is going to go, so let's just see. I think I'm going to take this one out. So anyway, so I have here a piece of lemon lime twist, and this one is 8.5 by 5.5, and as usual we're gonna go ahead and fold it in half. So we're gonna go and fold it in half. Then I have a piece of the Design Series paper, sorry, of the Whisper White, and this one is let me see, let me get my, oh, here's my roller. This one is 5.5 by 2.5, and I have 2 pieces of Design Series paper, as you can see here, and this one are 5 3/4 by 1, and you have 2 pieces of those. The reason I have them that way is because I figure I will just put it like so and then glue on them, and it's a little bit larger, but I will be cutting it. I'm gonna be stamping here first in a scrap of paper the butterfly and punch it out. And let me see where, oh, here it is. I'm like, where is that one? So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one. For right now, I really want to maximize the paper that I have here, because you can see me, I have been playing a lot with this, with these. I want to put it like right here so I can use my punch. And because it's a photopolymer, I recommend that you use your let me see. Well, I think I'm gonna mess it up, so let's just do it this way. To use your pierce mat, because that way you can ensure you transfer really well the images onto your paper. Okay, once you have it that way, let's just go ahead and use the lemon lime twist to color all the pieces. And this stamp set is really great because it gives you, you can mix and match colors. For this one I decided to make it really simple, and you go with the same color, but I can do one side of the wings on one color and then the other side on a different one. I'm just going to make it easy for this one. Let me just see how this one will go. Just cannot really see well. Alright, and then I have a little tiny butterfly here that the same thing, you're gonna just, and I love that it is photopolymer because you can see through and put your little butterflies. Alright, so now that I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and bring the punch. And these two, the stamp set and the punch, come as a bundle, so you save 10% when you get them together. So let me just get that, there we go. So you have them here. Once that I have them there, if you notice there's a little bit here, I don't know that you can see it on this, but you can see it here, right? There is a little bit because it has a body. I decided that it was easier to do the body after you have punch, because that way you can see exactly how this one goes. So I thought it was easier. And there you have it. Okay, once that I have them like so, we're gonna go ahead and take those. I've already had a piece of a circle, and this is a 2-inch circle and a Starburst punch circle, and this one is in basic black and whisper white. And so I figure it will be nice if I put those two together and then have the butterfly here. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue those two together. So alrighty. And then I'm going to use some glue dots that I have here. I'm going to take this one out the picture here. And I want to put the little butterfly on top of the large butterfly. Just to add some dimension. And I'm going to put dimension also on this one. So I'm going to put, oh, actually I can just put the one. I think it will be nice. That way it has some, like, both of the wings are kind of moving, if you will. So I'm going to be putting, there you go. There we go. I think it looks really nice. Alright, now for this section, I wanted to have something like so. Let me just think about these. I want to have this one right there. So this one here, and then this one right there. Okay, and then I'm probably want to have this one right here. Okay, and then the sentiment I want to use the thank you very much. So I want to put it like right here. So let's go ahead and bring again the Pierce mat. And I will do this. I don't want to do it in, I think it will be nice if I put it all in the Memento ink. I think it will be nice. Oh, I might have, there you have it. Really nice sentiment. I like the font. And so let's just get everything together. I think that for this one it will be nice, it will be better if I kind of glue everything down first and then trim it, you know. I'm getting the impression that this might be, oh my goodness. It might be easier for me, so alright, and then the same thing is going to happen with this one. Alright, and then I can go ahead and trim the excess. The same here. Alright. And now that I have it like so, then I can put this one here. Yes. Alright. So let's go ahead and do the same thing. And there's a little bit of an excess here, so let's just trim that one. There you go. And so this one will go right there, but I want to use the ribbon, and I think it is starting to look fantastic. So I'm going to put a little bit of more and more. I think that I've been using this zigzag technique a lot more. I really love how it looks, and I love that it coordinates really well with the card, you know. So I'm having it like so. I want to put it a little bit more open. There we have it. I'm going to go ahead and bring the scissors, and I'm going to trim this one as well. There we have it. It is really soft, and I'm really happy with that ribbon. And so now that I have them like so, then I can put some dimensionals. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm going to be using those that I got already. Alrighty. And if anything else, let's just use one of those little sequences here. And I think it will be nice to have one of these little flowers. Yes, here. And that, and ooh, maybe one more here. Oh yeah, fantastic. I just love how well it coordinates. So anyway, so here is, don't you think it's really nice? I love that everything coordinates pretty well. And so anyway, again, the ribbon is out of celebration, so you can get it for free when you purchase $50 with me on my online store. So more information on the description of this video. Also, don't forget to sign up on my email list so that you can get more information, tutorials, and events that are going on with creatingwithali.com. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.